We are getting our garden started. It has taken us a little bit longer than we want. We still don't have the fence up yet, but we're not gonna waste that. We are in spring. Here in Texas, we are planting right now and we're not gonna miss this opportunity. So we bought some transplants and some seeds. Probably mostly these seeds are gonna be started for the later spring and summer. Ella is super excited to use her handy pink waterer can, right, Ella? And Ollie, what's your favorite thing that you're wanting to start?
Tomatoes and carrots.
Carrots might not do so well, but we're gonna see. We're gonna plant them kind of on the back. It's a little hotter already.
We get to plant flowers and watermelons. My favorite food is watermelons.
So you see this spinach is coming up there, so that's gonna be yummy. Let's see. We have some garlic that's coming up.
Yes, that's broken.
We ran over that because y'all kept it out, unfortunately.
It was all over.
Okay, so let's get it a little watered. Just sit at the bottom.
I'm in charge of the water.
Okay, that's good for now. And then let's get some compost. Chip, get out of there. This is that biochar, and guys, I just see lots of activity in this. This is so cool. So Ella, now what I want you to do is I want you to water underneath the leaves. So don't water on top of the leaves because tomatoes don't like their leaves to be wet. So water. So get down underneath it. Perfect. Yep, just like that, baby.
Done. I'm done.
So Kelly got 2 determinate tomatoes. I usually prefer indeterminate tomatoes because, of course, they will produce for the whole time. But we also have some other tomato seeds that we will be able to work with. They'll just be a little bit later, but that's okay.
Why don't we just grow about 70,000 more tomato plants?
Well, we have seeds still, so we'll get to that for sure. Okay, your job is to keep Chip away from this and my camera as well. Unless you want to do it. If you want to plant, I'll.
Come here.
Okay, Ella, did you go get your? Ella, did you go get your stuff?
Come on, can you do it? Can you come up? Yeah.
Okay, Ella, I need more water, baby girl. It is so cool. I'm like, oh, I need a little bit more mulch.
You can do it if you wanna.
I'll just go grab it over my big pile of mulch right there. A lot of y'all on YouTube that are watching that have never had a garden before, you're gonna see people that garden start seeds indoors, heirloom seeds.
Awesome seeds.
With grow lights and all that stuff, and it's gonna be super great. For your first season, forget that. I would even say for your first season, if you're that late and all you can find is Miracle Grow potting mix, use it. It's just the first time. If you can find organic potting mix, then yeah, use that. But the whole point is just to grow something.
You're not advocating Miracle Grow.
Of course I'm not.
I think that's the thing. So here's the deal. We talk about this sometimes, but not often enough.
Shit.
Dave Ramsey, you guys know we're a Dave Ramsey fan. We're a big fat fan of becoming debt free. If you look at debt as like a mindset, no one would ever do it. It's a habit. Getting out of debt is also a habit. So creating healthy habits makes sense. Gardening is a habit. If you're waiting for everything to be perfect or to be like a gardener in your mind before you do, then it's never going to happen. But if you just get out and plant something, that's probably going to be our theme for the rest of the year, is like plant something every week. Are we planting something? Are we harvesting something every week? And I think that that's going to make the difference between a productive homestead garden and one that isn't.
Of course, that was Justin Rhodes's thing. Just plant something. Just plant. That's what we're doing. We're getting started. We're not delaying. We will be organic, everything, which we're kind of organic mostly. We'll grow all that, but not just yet. We had one season.
We had a great garden.
That was for our very first time.
We were not great growers in the first place. Like, man, why did it take so long for some of those plants to come up?
Which ones?
We had peppers that took forever. We had okra that took forever. It would take a really long time for us to get plants to grow.
I think you underestimate how long it takes.
I think you overestimate how long it takes.
Depends on the weather. You can't, it's solar. It's like the sun. You don't
You don't tell the sun what to do.
The sun tells you. Okay, we need to water these things. We already need another bed.
Nah, girl,
We
not
could
unless you
try to
want get
put
eaten.
one of these some of these pepper plants in the tower. But if we want to
Why
do,
don't we just seed the tower and put the peppers out here?
well, okay,
They're only jalapenos.
that's spinach.
Okay.
So we'll just put 2 of the peppers kind of over on the side. Baby, there's a lot of this spinach coming back. Look.
Good, we need it.
Yeah. I don't know. This is from Jeannie. Jeannie, what kind of spinach is this? Jeannie, what is this? Tell us in the comments down below. It's called what? I was going to say something like Okinawa. Okinawa spinach. It's not Okinawa spinach. So things are still moist in here. That's good. Oh, that was a cutting that did not survive. Oh, you did get some cherries. Okay, so you got 1 cherry indeterminate. That's why we have bunnies. The #1 reason why we have rabbits is because of their poop. They poop so good. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. No, wait. Hopefully,
Cool.
these things are really, really root bound, so that's not that good.
What do I do with this?
Put it around, so kind of fill in those gaps on the other side. There you go. So we want it to get
It looks the same.
filled in. So this is some aged cow manure. So that's good. Now we are going to mulch like mochi. Aha! I forgot something I need to do. So I need to do something different with these tomatoes. That is not how I like to do tomatoes. So what I typically like to do tomatoes is I snip off the bottom leaves, because tomatoes you can go all the way down. It's not, tomatoes are not like a fruit tree. It doesn't need to have like the crown exposed. You can snip off the bottom leaves of a tomato, and then you can plant that thing all the way down, which makes it a much stronger root mass, especially with doing transplants. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these other ones, snip them off, and I'm just gonna pile a little bit more potting mix on top of it, because I'm gonna make these beds higher anyway, so I'm not really worried about it.
Like this whole branch?
Yeah, I mean, if you can do it clean, or if you need snips.
Oh, they're really tender.
Hey,
Do you like this?
no.
You know who picked them out?
Ollie?
Yup.
Good job, Ollie. Just grab a handful of it.
Then go.
Why you calling them rubbing them?
It's a rock.
Then I'm gonna pile this mulch all the way to the top. So yeah, these tomatoes, I think I planted them a little too shallow. So I'm gonna take those off, and then I'm not gonna take them up. I'm just gonna put some more soil on this. We're just getting things done, guys.
Alright, are we just lifting or?
Oh, we can. Oh, what do you want? Here, do you want to film or do you want to do it?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, I would move this closer so you don't have to. Watch out.
Okay.
Watch out, Ella.
I don't think it's very far to move it.
Then do it.
Yeah.
And just.
Oh, but he said do something with the top. Like so that dirt doesn't get in there.
I was saying
We'll
like get
clog
a
it
shot
up.
glass, or
We
something,
don't have that.
What do you mean shot?
or just any kind of cup.
Babe. That was like almost on my face.
So I grabbed it. You want me to get a plastic bag?
No. I want you to not like almost kill me with this. Are you sure it's bug bites or like little scratches from the trees? It's such
What
nice
is this thing
soil.
called?
GreenStalk.
Green
All the way
stock.
up.
Yeah, all the way level.
You're
You're doing great, babe. You're doing great.
Here,
that
a
You're
little bit.
rocking it.
I can help you, Mama.
Let me see your hair.
I'm gonna get messy clothes for
You
I
like
can
it?
help you, Mama.
Can I help?
I like doing it this way.
Great. Okay, cool.
You know what I'm saying?
You know.
Yes.
You know you're getting your cup from your.
You could do it from the top.
That's okay for the. Yeah, we could.
Okay, so we have 4. So we'll have plenty of bags of this.
Yeah.
Should we mix some of it with some compost?
I have
to see?
no idea.
I kind of want to try it.
Cool. Go get some.
Okay.
Ollie, you gotta leave it on there, babe. I gotta fill it all the way out.
So I don't know if you're supposed to mulch these on the top. It's a self-watering system, so
hands
my
out. You're
thought
getting
is
it dirty, girl.
it's probably
Gonna
not.
plug up the holes.
Sometimes I like to build.
Yep, that's right. GreenStalk, I am so excited about this.
Okay, I think I need the nerve.
Okay, sister.
I think I need a nerve.
Ella, can you put the cup in the middle?
I can't.
Can you reach it?
You got it, baby.
That's it, sister. Then you can climb up here, Ella, and you can plant from the top.
Oh, that's good. I need to get a new camera angle, but I don't want to.
Ready?
Yeah.
Family.
Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Family.
Family day experience, actually.
Family day experience.
What are all of the other flowers for?
Yeah, buddy.
You need more?
Yeah.
Well, let's.
We can put this in the planters in the front.
Oh yeah, good idea. Yeah, baby. GreenStalk. This is awesome.
This is so cool.
I'm so stoked. So I'm going to show you.
Just-
Yeah, I think Blake was saying this is equivalent of like by a 4x8 bed.
You kind of don't even need to,
Can we please?
like you might not even need to speed this video up. It was so fast.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
This is gonna sound like such a commercial. We're not endorsing this for us. Like we're not making any money if you get a GreenStalk. I really just, like on day one I could say, check this out. If you have a limited space or if you're limited mobility, like Blake was saying, this is amazing. Okay, Ella, how about some arugula? Can you help me plant this? No, wait on the watermelons. Ollie's gonna plant these and then we'll put more in another spot. Listen, ears. More in another spot. Can you help me plant this? The arugula? Yeah?
I'd also like
Okay, let's
to
open it up.
plant the pole beans. Where are they?
Let me read this.
I think Mom wants to do the pole beans in a trellis.
A trellis.
In a teepee.
There's a
Yes, like so that it'll climb up and then when it grows in, Ollie, we can hide under it like a fort.
It'll be shady.
Okay, this one, Ella, these are the ones we're gonna plant right behind
So I can
here,
cut
too.
down some cedar
Okay.
trees and y'all can have.
Oh, you mean
We're
like
gonna
a
plant this one right
humongous
here.
teepee? I thought you meant like a fire teepee.
What's a fire teepee?
Like this small.
No. I'm talking about like a real
Okay.
teepee.
Like
Like this
You are
tall.
a great fan.
From-
a teepee is
like from
a
you-
real teepee is that tall?
No, I think real teepees are like as tall as a house. We don't need it to be that big. But we'll make it big. It will be awesome. And then we'll tie a rope.
Like,
So put it in the
With
bottom.
the 4 posts.
so that it can stay together.
Yeah. That'll be cool. Okay, keep planting.
Right there.
I'm gonna go get some water.
Name
Okay, so while Kelly and the kids are doing the seeds for the tower garden, I have something cool. So in the 7 mistakes, what you saw is something that I dumped our dehumidifier water because we run a dehumidifier to keep all the humidity down in here. I dumped it just because I needed a shot of like seeing the water come out and how much water comes out. But this is super cool. What I'm going to show you is what I can do with this now. We usually take the dehumidifier and put it out in the yard, put it in the compost. We use that water. This is really cool. What we can do with the GreenStalk is back door, GreenStalk right there. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so I need to read the directions. I need to read the directions and ask Daddykirbs what do I do for this first watering. I'm not really sure. Like, it's going down pretty quick. So I need to see okay, so now it's slowing down. Okay, so I think I should add some more in there. because it only came up to like 3.5. You see how there's, I'm guessing that's the tiers here. I did not read the instructions because we had Blake come and we had Daddykirbs come, and it was, I kind of just let him do it. Man, this thing is solid. So you see how it's self-watering in there. So cool, man. That is neat. This makes me want the slap chop.
No, you want that thing.
I want, Kelly says no, I don't want the slap chop, I want that thing.
On the commercial where it like.
On the commercial, where it like.
It's like a razor for your veggies.